Alright, so today we're going to learn how to bake paper. We're going to need to start off with making our mold and deco. So to start and keeping this budget friendly, we're going to be needing 2 picture frames. I actually had to get these from Dollar General. I don't have any of my own, but I got these for about $3 each. Make sure they're identical in size, not that they have a flat, as you can see here, flat surface. You're also going to be needing some window screen, which I actually bought from Home Depot for about, I think, $6.87. It's a bunch you could use actually. Duct tape and a staple gun and scissors to cut out your mesh. To make recycled paper, you need to make paper pulp. You'll need a blender, some scrap paper, or in this case, I'll be using my junk mail, a tub, and a source of water. So here we have our paper we just made using our mold and deckle. I have it lying on some felt fabric that we used. It's still pretty damp. Before this, I went ahead and placed my wooden board on top of the felt fabric with the piece of paper sandwiched in between. I put a brick on top of that wooden board and I stood in it to simulate a hydraulic press. If you have a hydraulic press, go ahead and use one instead. But most people don't have a hydraulic press. Here we got ourselves a complete solid piece of paper. This one over here I kind of experimented and put some a little plant leaf in there. It's a little what I just got from my yard. This one's a little wrinkled. That's okay. We can actually iron this out with another piece of fabric on top and take an iron to get rid of this here. Another way to avoid wrinklage is to very carefully lay your fabric and paper onto a very flat surface. That should help eliminate any wrinkles or tears. And there you go, we got ourselves homemade recycled paper.